In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Abu Dhabi. If you need to settle a traffic fine quickly and without visiting an office in person, the online method is one of the easiest options. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check your fine and move through the payment process using the official Dubai Police Fines Inquiry and Payment platform. To begin, open the Dubai Police Fines Inquiry and Payment page in your browser. Once the website loads, you'll be on the main fine search screen where you can enter the vehicle details needed to locate any traffic violations linked to your car. When you're already inside the platform, take a moment to look over the search section. This page is designed to help you find fines based on specific vehicle information, so it's important to enter the details carefully and exactly as they appear on your registration. First, find the field labeled Plate Issuing Authority. This is where you choose the emirate or authority that issued your vehicle plate. Open that drop-down menu and select Abu Dhabi. Choosing the correct issuing authority is important because it helps the system pull the right vehicle records. Next, move to the plate number field and type in your plate number. Make sure you enter it accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the system from finding the correct fine information. After that, select the plate code. This should match the code shown on your vehicle plate. If you're not sure, it's a good idea to double check your plate before continuing, because the search relies on the exact details you provide. Once all of the required information is filled in, click on Verify Fines. The platform will then process your request and search for any fines associated with the vehicle details you entered. When your traffic fines appear on the screen, review the information carefully. This is the stage where you can confirm that the fines listed belong to your vehicle and check the total amount due. Taking a few seconds here can help you avoid paying for the wrong record. From there, simply follow the prompts on the screen to complete the payment. The website will guide you through the remaining steps until the transaction is finished. As a helpful tip, keep a screenshot or download the payment confirmation once you're done, so you have a record for your files in case you need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Abu Dhabi.